Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance verification failed problem. So if your Binance account is not verified yet, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow each step. Now let's start. First of all, on your device, launch Binance app. After that, make sure that you're logged into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your account, you will see this interface as you can on this screen. Now to go to your profile, at the top left hand side of your screen, you will see an icon. Tap on there. Once you tap on there, you will be loaded to your account interface. Once you're loaded to your account interface, now again tap on your profile with your ID and your username. Tap on there. Once you tap on there, you will see this interface, and in verification you can see that my account is unverified or it is not verified yet. So in order to verify this account, again tap on verification. Then you will see this interface that says get your identity verified to buy and trade on Binance. So in order to get your identity verified on Binance, we require 3 documents, that is personal information, your government issued ID, and then face recognition. So for that, move forward by tapping on this yellow option that says continue verification. And in here you have to provide your available document, that is it may be your passport or your ID card or your driver license. And then at the top you have to provide your document issuing country. Now select the document type. Here I'll go with passport. After that, tap on continue, and in here you have to verify your document. So you have to upload an image of your ID document and ensure that all the details are readable and the document is original and has not been expired, and then the color background must be solid colored. Once you're done with that, move forward by tapping on continue option. And in here at document verification, you will be asked either you want to take picture with phone or you want to upload an existing photos, and after that you will be able to verify your identity on Binance without any verification failed. I hope this video will help you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next video.